Students, now let's start the English workshop which is given in the textbook page number 28. Which of the following words or phrases match in the meaning to the underlined ones? First one, nobody takes him to task. Takes him to task is a phrase. The meaning is scolds and correct. Dash if he gets baked in the sun. Baked in the sun means exposed to heat, means for a long time in the sun. Chasing the shadows means following the imaginary goals or targets. The lane is dark and lonely means deserted. Nobody is there on the road. He soils his clothes with dust. Soils his clothes means dirties the clothings. There is no road he must take. Means not particular any route or no specific road is there. Now let's see the question answers. What is the difference between a hawker and a shopkeeper? A hawker is a person who is selling his goods by moving around the streets, crying loudly to advertise about his goods. He does not have any particular place. While the shopkeeper is a person who is selling his goods by sitting in a particular place, that is his shop. He does not move around to sell his goods. What is the street light compared to one red-eyed giant? At night, when the child looks out of the window, he could see a watchman standing near the gate. He also sees a street lamp and he compared it with red-eyed giant because the road is lonely and only the street lamp is seen on the road in the dark night. What exactly the speaker in the poem crave for? Means what is he searching for? The speaker is a little child and he craves for freedom of his work so that he can enjoy his life. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? And what is such type of poem called? There is no rhyme scheme in this poem. Such type of poem is called as free verse poem. When a word is formed from a sound associated with it, it is called as onomatopoetic word. For example, gong, bang, tap, tinkle, crash, whistle, etc. In this poem also, the first line, when the gong sounds 10 in the morning, the first line of the poem is onomatopoeia figure of speech because the gong sound is there. Now let's see the figure of speech coming into this poem. Bangles, crystal bangles. In this line, the word bangles is repeated to stress on the commodity the hawker is selling. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning. In this line, the figure of speech is onomatopoeia. The word gong gives the sound of the bell. The street lamps stand like a giant with one red eye. It is simile. The street lamp is compared with the red eye giant by using the word like.